Hey guys, it's Sara from Altcoin Buzz. So this will be my second take on a video for you guys. I feel like in the first video my message has been completely misunderstood. It completely went not the way I wanted it to. So let's forget about it and start over again. I'm gonna talk about Vechain, which is one of the projects that you guys been talking quite a lot on Telegram. I like to take my inspiration from Telegram for the videos. So let's have a look at it. Let's see what the website says first. Vechain is the world's leading blockchain platform for products and information, which basically aims to increase transparency and trust through every business with a mission to build a trust-free and distributed business ecosystem. This project originated in Singapore around 2 years ago and has already got customers using a working product. So what sort of a working product could it be? I like to give an example of things like that because it helps me understand the project itself. So for example, fake ravens. It's often very hard to see whether they're legit or if they're fake. I mean, none of us are experts. With the Vechain, you could scan the glasses and immediately see if they really come from Ray-Ban or not. You could then check the builder, the material, or even how long ago the product was made. We know that the fake products in luxury industry are a massive issue nowadays. If Vechain actually succeeds in ensuring that a customer can see whether their product is authentic or not, Vechain will have a massive potential in this world. So let's see what products Vechain has. The first one is API gateway system, which allows merchants to take payments in cryptocurrencies. It's that simple. It also uses PwC for third-party services, which I think is a major proof of what this technology can do. It seems that Vechain also plays a part in Lining Academy of Agricultural Sciences with distributed data storage. So why Vechain? What else is to it? So luxury goods is not the only thing. I've also got an example from a car perspective, for example. So confirming the authenticity of products is not the only thing that Vechain can do. For example, Vechain can also give products an ID. So a car can be identified on the basis of this ID. This digital profile then contains all the data about the car, from when it was last tinkled to how many kilometers it has driven. This information can then be processed to your insurance people or to the next person who wants to purchase the car, and none of the information can be faked or hidden because everything is saved on the blockchain. So that was another example. I quite like that example. Anyway, Vechain has branches in Hong Kong, Singapore, and France. This basically allows for decentralization, efficiency, and global implementation of this project. In addition to offices in multiple locations, Vechain also has 111 nodes, which are spread across 5 different countries. A massive difference. 5 countries, not 5 continents. Whilst talking about Vechain, we can't forget about the Vechain Foundation, which is nothing else than a non-profit that was established in July 2017 in Singapore. The foundation will be the sponsor entity for Vechain, showcasing a commitment to its development, governance, construction, etc. So on the website, you've got an industrial application, which is basically a schematic of the examples I gave you guys. The token crowd sale, 41%, of the total tokens were distributed during the Vechain token crowd sale, with the profits going to the operation of the Vechain Foundation, such as development, finance, marketing, etc. On their website, they've also got a roadmap, which started off with the initial design for Vechain, which arrived in June 2015, with January 2016 seeing the initial development of Vechain 1.0 and approval for Ethereum TPOC. Nowadays, 2018, they have planned for Vechain to have version 3, which will go live with the update including Rust restructuring, gas exchange, audit service, and the launch of a Vechain token. This will complete the one-to-one exchange of the ERC20 token and Vechain token. For quarter 4, Vechain V4 will go live. It will also achieve integration with the commercial ecological environment system platform and integration with IoT, as well as include more specific for the industrial blockchain cloud. So I've mentioned some rebranding. At the end of 2017, Vechain announced plans for a rebrand of Vechain Thor, scheduled for February 26, 2018. Vechain from then will run on 2 coin systems. Thor will be used to power the underlying blockchain and to execute smart contracts on the decentralized application, which will be basically the same way that NEO produces gas to its holders. Then will be used to generate Thor at a minimum rate of 0.042 per Ven, and Ven holders of large amount nodes will validate transactions of them. So that's basically a very, very simplified of what's actually going to happen. On their Vechain Foundation website, they've also got their team with the CEO Sunny Lu, which is the actually co-founder of Chinese internet company BitSC, who created the cryptocurrency giant Qtum. I don't know if you guys heard about it, but it's a great project. I might make a video on it. We'll see. Before his role at BitSC, he held the position of COO and CIO of Louis Vuitton, the Chinese division. So we can see the connection between Sunny and the luxury goods and the issues that are actually occurring there. So Vechain project also has one of the largest teams in the cryptocurrency space, with the headcount of around 60 people. Their board of advisors is also very extensive. They've got partners in PwC. They've got George Kang from CEO, who is a CEO, Greater China Region DNVGL, Daniel Kelman, founders of BitOcean Japan, and I can just carry on. Absolutely amazing team. Another reason why I'm so keen on Vechain is their transparency. So Vechain offers to the people that invest in it an opportunity to review their quarterly financial reports. This is absolutely brilliant, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the in the description of the video, and you guys can follow it and have a read yourself. Having those reports allows us to monitor the fund usage and development process of the Vechain Foundation. This is absolutely amazing. This shows how transparent they are. They're not hiding anything. What else? Vechain also is making the news by creating the first accredited cryptocurrency disaster recovery plan, which was made in cooperation with PwC. So their plan consists of low risk, medium risk, and high risk events. They go from loss of passwords of logon details to unauthorized access on the network, all the way down to the Vechain private key or keystore file being compromised. I think this is a very crucial step in the cryptocurrency, in the blockchain. It's good to know that they've got a plan if everything goes down and our funds are actually not gonna be God knows where. So there's been really a lot going on for Vechain. Last week, they revealed a partnership with Hanghua Wang, sorry if I said it wrong, to help push its upcoming Vechain Thor incarnation and make a shift from its initial core focus of supply chain management towards financial services. The momentum continued this week with Vechain's announcement of advisory support from Breyer Capital. Breyer Capital has agreed to support Vechain through an official advisory role, said Jim Breyer. I am most interested in Vechain's top percentile crypto team. Additionally, I found Vechain's enterprise partnerships and deep relationship with PwC and DNVGL to be compelling, I'm here to learn with and support Vechain as they press on towards their main net release and continue to develop valuable partnerships. I look forward to working with a coalition of top-tier individuals within the Vechain ecosystem. So this has been last week's news. They've got their Twitter is very live. They constantly publish some news, like the DNVGL conference, which happened 3 days ago. Basically, the conference was held in Oslo, in Norway. There was a CEO of Vechain, Sanilu. There was a CEO of DNVGL himself, Luca Criscotti, and Renato Grottola, which is the digital transformation director from DNVGL. So they've also got a link available here to watch the conference if you guys didn't have a chance. What I like the most is that they're said about the beginning. So they met, and DNVGL has been approached by many people to be partners with them. And they said that Vechain was the only company that they didn't talk about the technology, but about the improvement of a client experience, which basically made them realize that they sort of made for each other and that they share the same vision and want to do it in the most suitable way. And that's a really quick summary, very brief. I think you guys should listen to it. It's absolutely brilliant. I listened to it at work and I really enjoyed it. They've also got all the other news that I mentioned. Jim Breyer announcement. That a disaster recovery plan. You need to follow people who you invest, the companies, the projects. It's very important to stay on top with their news and their development. However, the partners of Vechain are not done yet. I mean, they're in so many industries. I don't think they can be in any more, but I'm sure that will surprise me still. So this is the actual list of the partners in industries from national level support to transport, logistics, supply chain solutions, imported goods, publication, fashion, healthcare. I mean, it's absolutely endless. This is really impressive list. I'm absolutely bullish on Vechain. Remember, guys, this is not a professional financial advice. However, I think Vechain recently has reached its all-time high, and if it's the best time to buy or not, I'm not gonna tell you when to buy or not. I did took a position on it recently. I bought some more because it's just been absolutely crazy ride. So they've went all the way up to, I think it's $9.52 from what I remember. Let's do it this way. $9.55 actually. You can get it on Binance, Huobi, Get.io, Ether Delta, KuCoin. All you need to do is just purchase some Ethereum or Bitcoin. You can do it on Coinbase. We've got a referral link, and you guys can use it if you don't have the account yet. It's a very simple way of purchasing those two giants, and then you can exchange it and purchase Vechain yourself. Guys, this will be it from me today. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, hit the subscribe button on YouTube, as well as let me know in the comments if you like this sort of videos, what else you want me to talk about, and if you like me in general. Catch you guys later.